Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Syed Mehraj Shah and today my topic of academic speech is ethics in the workplace. So first I want to define ethics. What is ethics? Ethics is derived from Greek word ethos, which means custom, habit, characters or disposition. Ethics is the branch of knowledge that deals with moral principles. There are two types of behavior in ethics: ethical behavior and non-ethical behavior. So first I am describing ethical behavior. Ethical behavior include honesty, integrity, fairness and all varieties of positive tasks who take interest in mind of other uh, while making decisions. I mean, when making decisions are called ethical behavior. In the workplace, there is a standard of ethics set up in our country, set up in our company. Unethical behavior. Unethical behavior is totally reverse of ethical behavior. Unethical behavior contain all deeds that violate the law. Individuals use unethical behavior as can in terms of businessman, profession and politician. Pupils use unethical behavior in business or in any workplace for gaining their benefits, for their own benefits. Now I am going to describe business ethics. Business ethics is a form of professional ethics or applied ethics that examine principle of business and morals or problems that arise in business environment. It used in all aspects of business environment. Business ethics refer to contemporary organizational structures, principle, set of variable and norms that regards activities and behavior of employees.